What are the advantages of a rear windshield on a UTV? A UTV with just a front windshield blocks forward airflow but creates unwanted cab suction and drag. All kinds of debris and dust kick up, circulating throughout the cabin, making for an uncomfortable ride. How do you stop it? You guessed it, a rear windshield. By adding a rear windshield, airflow is diverted over the rear of the vehicle, creating a clean, uninterrupted path of airflow. Better aerodynamics means a better in-cab experience. When tearing it up on the trail, naturally you're going to kick up all kinds of elements, like water, mud, rocks, and sticks. Having a rear windshield will block these elements from rear entry into the cab. If you're riding for long periods of time out in the sun, you're going to need protection from those harmful UV rays. The polycarbonate material of a rear windshield acts as a natural barrier to UV rays, with many different tinted options to help block out the sun. At SuperATV, we have rear windshields for many makes of models, with a variety of options, including vented, rear sliding windows, tinted, and flip rear windshields. Visit SuperATV.com to get your windshield today and take advantage of our fast, free shipping.